Hi, Enoch Fredericks here with MyRoadToEagle.com. One of the things that most Scout leaders don't have a lot of is time. I'm going to show you how you can save time by using the group tracking feature, which is included as part of the premium service. Here's how it works. To access this feature, simply click on the group tracking link in the sub-navigation of the dashboard, or click on the banner in the middle of the page. Once you're at the group tracking page, you'll notice that it's broken up into three sections. Choose a rank or merit badge, choose the requirements, and choose the scouts to track. Let's get started. Click on the drop-down menu and select the rank or merit badge you'd like to track. Then click Next to move on to the requirements. The site will provide a list of all the requirements included in the rank or merit badge that you selected. You can move your mouse over each requirement to get a full description of that requirement. Select all of the requirements that you'd like to track by clicking on each one individually. Selected requirements will be highlighted so that you can easily see what you've chosen. To remove a requirement from the list, simply click on the requirement again. Once you've chosen all of the requirements you'd like to track, click Next to select the scouts to track. In this last step, click on the photos of the scouts that you'd like to track. As you roll over their pictures, their names will appear above so that you know who you're selecting. Once you've chosen all of the scouts you want to track, click Next to go to the last step. Now's where the tracking takes place. You'll notice that only the scouts and requirements that you have chosen are listed, with the scouts down the left and the requirements across the top. If you selected a large amount of requirements, you might see a horizontal scroll bar indicating that not all of the requirements fit on the page. You can also mouse over the scout photos and check marks to get more information on who or which requirement you're tracking. The other important thing to notice is that the checkboxes are broken into two sections: a row of requirement numbers and check marks with a gray background, and a list of check marks with white backgrounds for each scout. The first set of check marks with the gray backgrounds is for tracking all scouts at one time. If all of the scouts selected completed a particular requirement, use the check marks with the gray backgrounds and it will be applied to all of the selected scouts. Use the check marks with the white backgrounds to track scouts individually. When you click on any check mark, you'll be able to select that requirement as being complete, in progress, or no progress. You can also enter a completion date and the requirement will be marked as completed on the date that you chose. If you need to add or remove a scout or a requirement to the list, you can always click on the numbered tabs at the top and make changes to your selections. So, as you can see, the group tracking feature can really save you a lot of time when keeping track of requirements that you do as a troop, especially if you have a large unit with a lot of scouts. The group tracking feature is only available to premium service accounts, so take advantage of this great time saver and upgrade today. We hope this was helpful. Check out more video tutorials at myroadtoeagle.com/support.